Hello people, my name is Akshay. So in this video I am going to share you some uh, brain hacks. Okay, I am going to share some brain hacks by which many people got their success, many people achieved their success. So this video I am I am sharing all some of these hacks in this video. So let us try to understand, and let's start for our today's video. So first one is apply 5-second rule. Every See, this 5-second rule we can apply everywhere, in any work, in any task, or in anywhere, everywhere we can use this 5-second rule. I will give you two example on that. Okay, so firstly, whenever we eat, definitely no one wants to wake up early in the morning. Okay, I personally feel I don't want to wake up in the morning, but I use that 5-second rule and I am going to wake up. Okay, I used to wake up. Just count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, and wake up. Just wake up, walk throughout your bed, means come out from bed and just wake up. I will give you second example. Everyone has some trouble, some worries in their life, day to day life. So to uh, how to come out from your worries? hmm? So here also apply 5-second rule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just boom, leave that worries, means don't think about that worries. Just um, think about anything else, think about something other. Okay, so the apply this rule, 5-second rule. It will be very helpful for your life. So second one is how to set our goals. Take one paper, and on that paper, um, on that paper, write your all personal goals. What you want to do in your life, what kind of personality you want, what kind of health you want, what kind of relation you want, what kind of family relations you want, what kind of mental health you want. So write down in personal goal, as well as write down your mm, money related goal. Write down all your environment, traveling or anything. Okay, write down all these fun goals. Okay, and write down as well as contribute goal. In that contribution goal, you should help to others. Okay, so it is contribution goal is very important for our life. Means these three goals: money related goal, financial, fun goal, and personal goal. Okay, these goals are important, but contribution goal is also very important. Okay, so apply this. Then uh, how to learn something new. Okay, how to learn something new. See, in our life, okay, in our life, we are, mm, if we are on deathbed, okay, that time also we are a student. Okay, so no one is like pro in in their life. Okay, everyone is student. Day to day life, every day we are learning something. Okay, we are learning something new. See, no one is perfect. Yeah, this is right, no one is perfect. So everyone is learning something. So if we know some if you don't know something, then try to understand, then try to research on that. So what is the use of this, how to use this, or where to use this, means research on that. And read some blogs, and see how to research. See, everyone has different perspective, different way of thinking. Okay, so how they are thinking about that section. Okay, how they are thinking about this, and how I am thinking about this. So different perspective, we need to match different perspective, and we can learn from that. Okay, so like that, read some books, read some blogs, and we are living in technical world. Okay, we are living in 21st century, so everything is everything is in our hands, so we can easily search, or we can easily research on anything. So this is how we can learn something new. Then, how to enjoy our rejections, how to enjoy our rejections. Okay, so how to enjoy our rejections. See, no one is here to no one is lucky here, no one, luck is nothing, luck is not, no one is lucky. Okay, so luck is just a simple word. No, okay, and we need to repeat, or we need to do hard work. Okay, no one will get success in night, means no one will get success in overnight. Okay, so we need to do very hard work consistently. You will get many failure. Okay, and yeah, you will get many failure and many rejection. Try to prepare for all rejections. And yes, I know I am getting rejection, I'm getting rejected. I will try, I will try more best to my upcoming next work. So like that only, we will face many rejections, and we will learn from those rejection, and we are becoming more and more pro in that section. Okay, so this is how uh, enjoy our rejections. So next one is the how to find our happiness. How to find our happiness. See, getting huge happy. See, what is the meaning of happiness? Happy life. Getting hugely happiness is not the true meaning of happiness. Okay, there are many um, in our daily life. There are small moments also creates small many moments are comes and goes, but we didn't recognize, or we didn't memorize those our happiness memories. Okay, so great we need to grateful on that small memories also, and we need to grateful and grateful on that memories. So and by which our life will be more happy. Okay, so getting more happiness is not the true meaning of happiness. Okay, so our small moment also one kind of achievements and one kind of our happiness. So this is what our today's video. So apply these techniques in your daily life, and yeah, we'll meet soon in another video. Bye bye.